Hey, welcome to Tool Spec. So you have a pruner tool. It doesn't matter if it's a DEWALT or any other brand of tool. You can use it to trim up some branches like what it's made for, or give yourself a little trim. You might not know, you can also trim hoses like this. You can trim like a water hose or a hairline. You can also trim some cables. And even more impressive, you can also trim battery cables. That's pretty big battery cable. I bet you didn't think about doing this with your tool before. Well, if you like tool review video or mechanic repair video, do it yourself, consider subscribing. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.